everyone. I am Misha Joshi, Senior Director Professional Services at VMware India. A very warm welcome to the second edition of VMware Nirman. In 2019, we kicked off this journey for creating inspiration for women leaders in technology to help drive greater inclusivity and diversity within the Indian technology sector. Our objective is not just to improve diverse hiring, but also create an ecosystem that will help women thrive and move up the career ladder to leadership positions. This year, we're back in a bigger, better, and completely virtual avatar to take the conversation forward. To tell you a little bit about VMware in India, we established our presence in the country in 2005. Since then, we've worked to not just increase our footprint in the region, but also to contribute to the ecosystem that we function within. Today, VMware India is the largest R&D site for the organization globally, with 1 in 4 engineers based in India. And we are deeply committed to having inclusivity and growth in the Indian technology sector. We launched VM Inclusion to drive change through business leaders by fostering an inclusive culture. It's a mission that requires working together to achieve and continuously inspires us to go further. The awards we've won in the recent years are testimony to our equal focus on innovation, diversity, and inclusivity. For example, Frost & Sullivan's awards for Hyperconverged Infrastructure Vendor of the Year, Enterprise Mobility Management Provider of the Year, and Software Defined Data Center. We also won 2 Zinnov Awards for building a culture of intrapreneurial leadership and inclusion and diversity. We have won ET Now's CSR Program of the Year Award and Jobs for Her Top 20 Most Innovative Practices for Women Returnee programs. We believe that true innovation demands a multitude of perspectives that only a diverse can provide. Unfortunately, though India is the largest number of female STEM graduates in the world, women remain underrepresented in the workforce, especially in leadership positions. We comprise only 35% of the Indian tech workforce, and if you see the representation of women on corporate boards in India, it's at 15% in 2019, which over a period of 5 years from 2014 has been only a 4% increase. This is significantly below the global average of 20.6%, and I'm 100% sure that we can do much better than this. Let me share a little bit of my own story. I am a computer engineer, started off as a COBOL programmer, grew organically into delivery management and pre-sales in the system integrator world. Then I did a good stint in hardcore telecom sales and corporate customer experience strategy. And now I lead the professional services team and the P&L for the business at VMware in India. While mine is still a small, humble, organic story of growth, well supported by the organization, it's never easy for women in India for various reasons. And I continue to be inspired by so many women who have embraced growth and change through all of these challenges. I enjoy creating avenues for more inspiration for our women workforce, and that's why I'm deeply passionate about VMware Nirman. Now is the time for us to make our workplaces more diverse, more inclusive, more supportive. It is the time for the industry to come together to initiate meaningful dialogue and collaboration and create an ecosystem that supports women as they progress in their careers. VMware Nirman was created to be a platform that brings together technologists, innovators, and leaders from across India to help understand how we can build a more diverse leadership talent pipeline. This year, the event is spread over 2 days. We are also having lots of breaks in between to give you time to go back and complete some work as well as things at home. But we want to also allow deeper dive into the ways in which technology can impact lives and how we can play a significant role, and also to learn from journeys of other inspirational leaders. So without further ado, I'd like to welcome Duncan Hewitt, Senior Vice President and General Manager, VMware Asia Pacific in Japan, to deliver the keynote address. Duncan is a vocal advocate of gender diversity in technology and is committed to creating greater gender diversity within his own teams as well as his own leadership team. He was the force behind VM Inclusion Tara, a unique upskilling and return to work program for women in India. But before we go to Duncan's keynote address, I want to invite Renuka Rajgopal, Senior Director and VM Inclusion Lead for VMware in India, to present a very exciting announcement to kickstart VMware Nirman 2021. I wish you a wonderful time learning and enjoying Nirman 2021, and I'll see you again in a bit.
Hello everyone. I am Renuka Rajgopal, Senior Director Workplace and the lead for diversity and inclusion at VMware India. At VMware, we celebrate our people from a wide variety of dynamic backgrounds, experiences, and perspectives. Our diversity and inclusion initiative, VM Inclusion, is a business-led effort to attract and engage the multinational, multicultural talent critical to our globally connected business. We launched Nirman in India as a platform where women and women leaders could come together and discuss issues that are top of mind for women in technology. Nirman is committed to building a community for women in technology in India. As we unveil the second edition of Nirman today, I am sure that you will take away a lot of valuable learnings. Today, we are also launching the Nirman portal. Do log on to vmware.com, Nirman, where you can network, discuss, learn, and share. And keep the conversation going. Thank you.